In this video, I will be showing you how I pack and store my linens. So if you are planning on making a move in the near future, I hope that you will gain some ideas, some tricks and tips from this video. So I went over to my local Dollar Tree store and I picked up these XX large storage bags, which are great. But I would have rather paid $1 for them than having to pay $1.25 each. Had I known earlier, I would have really stocked up on a few of them. I believe they also come in smaller sizes as well, but on that day in particular, they only had the XX large sizes, which is fine. So if you would like to see how I use them, then keep watching. So what you're looking at here are all my linens, all neatly folded on my bed, all ready to be packed away. So directly in front of you are my napkins, and to my left are some placemats, and in the middle are my table runners. And to my right are my pillow covers, and behind them are some chair covers. Okay, so I'm on the other side of the bed and I just wanted you to see a little closer my chair covers, and I've had these for quite some time. Not sure I'm going to be using these in the future. I might just, be getting rid of them, but for now I'm going to hold on to them. And here are some more chair covers, and this set here, I just received that set from Martha, from Divine Inspirations by Martha. And here are my crochet doilies, and behind those are my pillow covers. All right, and to my right are some tea towels, and I've already went ahead and started packing this storage bag right here with some towels that I had displayed in the bathroom for open house, and I will be adding the tea towels on top of these bath towels. And again, in the middle are my table runners. So guys, let's get started. Lemon tea towel from Williams Sonoma that is still in the package. So as you can see, this bag is way too small for all my placemats and my napkins. I had to make 2 separate bags and separate the napkins from the placemats. So in this bag, I have the placemats on the bottom and a few of the napkins, and the remaining of the napkins are in that bag. It was just way too much for one bag, and it is literally quite heavy. Yeah. think this is a really good way to protect your items from any damage like water or moisture, mildew, mold, name it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, guys. My pillow, and I'm going to take my pillow cover off. I'm also going to show you how to store your pillows by shrinking them in a vacuum bag. And before you do that, you want to remove your pillow covers. So here I have my vacuum space saver bag, and I remove my pillow covers, and I have 6 feather pillows in there, and I'm gonna have hubby shrink that down for me by just attaching the vacuum hose. This is all I have for you for today. I hope you found this video inspiring and you took something away from it. I have ordered some totes from Amazon, and in another video I will be showing you how I prep my throws and my curtains after they're being laundered. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.